Lesson 12. Remote Control a Relay Switch. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use Arduino to drive a relay to switch on/off LED remotely. The parts needed for this project as is shown in this picture. Please set up the hardware according the circuit graph, then connect the Arduino board to PC via USB cable. This project needs to connect Arduino to Cayenne AI platform firstly. To learn how to set up Arduino, please visit Lesson 1. Enter your email and password to log in Cayenne platform, go to the dashboard. Click Add New, click Device Widget, choose Actuators Relay, click Relay Switch. Widget name, the default name is Relay Switch. Select Device, choose Arduino Uno. Connectivity, choose Virtual. Choose V2 pin. Please note if V2 is used by other widgets, you can select other pins, and change the sketch virtual pin to the pin number you have selected. Widgets, choose button, then choose button icon. Click Step 1, Sketch File. The sample sketch will be displayed, but we don't use it in this project. We created a new sketch. Please download from this link. Copy and paste the sketch into Arduino IDE. Set relay digital pin to the digital pin number you selected. Here is V2. Replace the token number with your own authentication token number. This number could be obtained from your Cayenne dashboard. Choose the board type Arduino Uno and correct port. Upload the sketch to your Uno board. Go to Cayenne dashboard, click Step 2, Add Actuator, then you should see the widget for relay has been added on your dashboard. We can switch on/off the relay switch by clicking this button. Now you can remote control the relay switch to turn on/off a LED no matter where you are. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit www.osoyu.com.